Hello friends, I am back with a new video about rainy season. Rainy season is the season of pleasant weather with cool breeze and showers. It comes after summer season. In India, it starts in the month of July and lasts till September. The sky remains cloudy in this season. We wear raincoats, boots, and use an umbrella to stay dry. Children make paper boats and sail them in the rainwater. People enjoy eating fritters with a cup of hot tea on rainy day. Sometimes we may see a rainbow in the sky, which is very beautiful to look at. Rain refills water in ponds and rivers. Excessive rainfall leads to landslide and flood in some areas. Rain washes away dust and pollution from the whole environment to make it clean. Rainy season is the important season for farmers to harvest crops. If you want video on specific topic, please mention it in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.